Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevy Impala and I will show you which fuse to check in case your Impala is equipped with Onstar and Onstar stopped working and is unresponsive. This video will apply to Chevy Impalas made from 2006 all the way up to 2013 and the Chevy Impala Limited made from 2014 to 2016. The Onstar fuse will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is located right here. Now to remove the cover you will have two black tabs, one on the right side and one on the left side. So what you want to do, just want to pull up onto each of the tabs to unlock it. And once you've done that, just pull the cover towards yourself. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. And the Onstar fuse is a 10 amp red fuse located right here in the center of the fuse box, and this is the most common cause of Onstar not working. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.